my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all doing really well today. If you are new here, I am Sammy Jayne. This is my channel. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and join us all here. We have lots of fun. And yeah, today's video is going to be a Blue Sky gel polish collection that a really nice lady sent me over. You can get these from Gel Nails UK. I will leave the links down below, and yes, I've been looking for a gel polish to sell on my website and I think that this might be the one. So at the moment you can't get these on my website, but maybe in the future you will be able to. There are some Blue Sky products I've already decided I'm definitely going to be selling on my website. But even when I do sell the gel polishes, I will not have the range that Gel Nails UK have. So I'll always leave the links to Gel Nails UK down below so you guys can head over there as well, because they have so many polishes and there's just so much stuff over there. So yes, all those links will be down below. And today I'm going to show you what we have, but I'm also going to show you swatches. Yay! So I have some swatches for you today as well. In fact, I have them on these beautiful Pooch's Nails practice hands, which you will see in about a minute's time. But I'm just going to show you what else I have here. So we have got a Blue Sky base coat right here, and that's what it looks like. And I'm really loving this packaging. I remember Blue Sky having a kind of a different packaging, but I'm really liking this packaging. So this is the Blue Sky base coat. We've then also got an acid-free primer, so you can prime the nails. We've also got two top coats, which is quite exciting. So we have a regular top coat, but we've also got a no wipe top coat, which I have been needing a no wipe top coat, so I'm quite happy about the fact that we have some here. So that is them. Now, I was also sent from Gel Nails UK these nail files to try out. Oh, there we go. So we've got 100 and a 180 grit. These are super cute as well. I really like these. Can't wait to try these out. 150 and a 150. 180 and 180. 240 and 240. And 100 and 100. Now, I'm really pleased that they're set out this way, because for me, I like it to be the same on both sides, just so that, because I'm always filing and I'm like, oops, wrong side, and have to turn it over. So I like the fact that most of these are like the same. We've also got the choice to have the 100, 180 one as well. So yeah, I really like that. That's really cool. So I'm definitely going to be using these. I'm going to get some really nice pictures of them. So there's going to be all sorts going on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, the links will be listed down below, along with my website, my Facebook group, Twitter, everything. So just look in the description down below, because there's all sorts going on down there. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying those nails out. They're going straight on my desk, and then they're what I'm going to be using from now on. Also got, now this I'm really excited about as well, Blue Sky Cuticle Oil. And I'm not even kidding, this is like my favourite cuticle oil smell ever. It smells like marzipan. I imagine that the scent is almond. I don't think it says what it is on it. Sweet almond. But you guys know almond and marzipan. Do you know what I'm saying? I love it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely love this cuticle oil. So I am going to be stocking this. I've already decided. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to be having this in my shop, because I'm already obsessed with that smell. Right, so now we've got the actual polishes. I'm going to be swatching these for you, but I'm going to show you them like when I'm set here too. So we have up here Blue Sky gel polish. Now this is what I really like about these before I get into the swatches. Like, I really like that they have the colour on top, and the colour matches really well with the actual swatch, because I have already swatched them. And I'm in love with this packaging. I think it looks really sleek and really smart. So that's why I think one of the reasons it's drawn me to it as well, just how awesome it looks. So this is PN01. By the way, not sure if I actually mentioned the name of this collection, but I believe it's Pastel Neon. So these are like pastel neon colours, and this is PN01, and it's just like a really nice pastel pink. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Look at that. Oh my God. The camera is washing this out a little bit, but like I said, There's going to be so many photos. I've already taken loads of photos and there's going to be loads more to come, so next up we have got PN02, which is like a yellow, like a pastel pale yellow, and this is also really nice. I feel like this collection is going to be really, really nice for like spring, summertime, because it's like all the pastel colours, so I'm really excited. I think I might start with this collection, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Next up we've got PN03, and this is what it looks like here. So this one is just a really nice pastel blue colour. Next up we have PN04, and this is more of a purpley pink, like a kind of like a lilac-y, but it's still definitely pinky, but more like purpley pinky, if that makes any sense. Next up we have this, which is a really, really pretty mint green. Is it a mint green or is it a lime green? Ooh, you guys tell me your like opinion, because apparently I'm not very good at saying what kind of colours are. I think it's more of a limey green, but I really like this. I really like this greeny colour, and that's what it looks like there. Next up is PN06. I actually think this one might be my favourite one. Like, I'm not even... There's just something about this. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. I really like this one. So I'll just tell you now, I had a peel off base coat on the nails that I'm actually testing out that's also by Blue Sky that I think I'm going to be selling in the shop. So I used the peel off base coat first. Then I've applied 3 layers. I think 2 probably will be enough, but for the sake of these swatches, I wanted to make sure that I had a really good swatches for you guys. So I've done 3 layers of each colour, so you can see them as they are, and then also I have put the Blue Sky top coat over the top, and then you can see what they look like with the Blue Sky top coat. So let's get into the swatches. The Blue Sky swatches for the Pastel Neon range. I really like this range, and I definitely think I'm going to try stock this in my shop. But yes, definitely head over to Gel Nails UK. The selection of the Blue Sky polishes there's so many. I didn't even realise there were that many Blue Sky nail varnishes, Blue Sky gel polishes, but there really are a lot. So yes, yay! I'm so excited, guys. I'll just show you. I've already shown you, but I have got Sarah sat here with me. Eva is in the salon, but this is Sarah with them on, and I really like them. I really like them. Look at the pink. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to make this too long, so this should be quite a nice short video for you guys. If you have any questions, leave me comments down below. Make sure you go check out the links that I leave in the description box as well, because there are a lot more than just these ones. There are loads, so definitely go check them out. I will keep you guys updated on whether or not I do get these in my shop. Obviously, just everything will always be on Instagram and Facebook. The Facebook page will have all updates of everything that's like ever going on with IdleGirl, so definitely make sure you're following the Facebook page. And yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are new and you have hit the subscribe button, thank you so much. You won't regret it, because there's all sorts that goes on this channel, and I upload 4 times a week. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out Gel Nails UK, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!